welcome. So as Daryl mentioned, today we are going to be giving a short tour of our new APConnects Shopify integration feature. This is a seamless system. Orders move seamlessly into AdvancePro and can be fulfilled without anyone accessing Shopify, and it will also move that fulfillment marker back to Shopify so that you can notify your Shopify customers automatically when their order has been fulfilled. So once the system has been through its initial configuration and the initial sync has been performed, we will have a number of products and customers synced into Shopify directly from AdvancePro. So these are our AdvancePro products that have been brought in. Now, you're going to see also the orders that have been placed in Shopify, and these will sync down into AdvancePro for your management. So there's actually no need to log in to Shopify other than initial configuration and broader management. Your day-to-day operations, everything will be automated. So when we check out a new order, and I'm going to head over to our store and we're actually going to do a checkout. When we check out a new order, the order is going to appear in our Shopify Order Manager. So let's go in to our Shopify store. Here we are. And we're actually going to check out a product. So this is a product that's linked to our products within AdvancePro. So we'll add this item to our cart. We'll be able to check out. I'm going to use some pre-entered data. So here's our pre-entered checkout form. And we're using a test credit card. So when I move to payment method, I'll be putting in my test data for the credit card processor in this case. Okay, and we'll go ahead and complete the order. So now, helps if I go ahead and put in a valid name. There we are. And we will check out. So now the order will be processed and it will ultimately be cleared, and we get order 1005, which is now in our order management area within our Shopify panel. Now, I'm going to go ahead and run a sync. This is an automated process that, just like AdvancePro Web Services, will run on a timer. So this is going to sync this order down into AdvancePro. Now, just to move into a little bit more detail while that's happening, the products that sync over, let's jump into those products. We can actually have the name and description of a product. We can have the pricing as well as the SKU sync up into your Shopify store, and from there you can go ahead and customize each product. You can go ahead and build your collections out, and from AdvancePro, while we're waiting for this, it looks like that sync is initialized. We can actually go into the admin panel, and you're going to find under utilities a brand new area called the AP API. And here you can go ahead and you can create your Shopify integration as well. So from here, we can always update and make changes to this. We can change the URL, and we can also associate specific categories of product for use on our Shopify system. So this way we can choose just which products we would like to send up, just like for our other web services. Now, we'll take a look over on our integrator. You'll see everything has been synced back and forth. And if we head over to view orders now, we're going to see that we have our order 1005 synced into AdvancePro at this point. So we can go ahead and open that up. And at this point we can continue and process it just like any other AdvancePro order. So we've got our item in. We brought in our taxes. Since taxes may vary by the location of your customer, these taxes are assigned automatically by Shopify and use this service item that gets created. Now we're going to go ahead and place the order and process it out of our warehouse. We'll open up our pick ticket and ship this order. And in this case, I'm going to be using a UPS sample tracking number that's available. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab that. And we're going to use this example tracking number right here to go ahead and send our shipment back up to Shopify. So this is actually going to mark our shipment as complete and fulfilled. And it's also going to be able to send an email using Shopify so that the customer can track their package using Shopify's tracking technologies and UPS. So these emails are going to look something like this. We'll jump into our email. So here's your initial confirmation that you're getting from your Shopify store. And then you can also see the actual shipment email as well. And you can always go ahead and use the tracking information there that gets supplied using EPS as well. Now, going back to our integrator, I'm going to run another sync. And what we're going to see is once this sync is complete, we are going to have our products and our customers updated. Our stock levels have been updated. I'm going to head back over to our order management system. And we're now going to see that order 1005 is marked as fulfilled. Now, just to touch on some additional setup, there are some required settings that are needed for AdvancePro to sync with Shopify correctly. So I'm going to go into the settings. There is a particular area that you're going to want to manage is the checkout. So in particular, the checkout settings that are going to need to happen are moving down. You are going to need to require that the order payment is captured automatically, and you are going to require the company name, the first name, and the last name to be filled out. Okay, so these are all found here in the checkout area and the payments area of your settings. Okay. Now, this concludes our brief tour of the Shopify API integration with AdvancePro.